Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we are going to find out if Instagram sends you a notification if someone screenshot your Instagram story, and if it does, how do you see it? So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. So I posted a story on my Instagram, and let's try to take a screenshot using my other account. Now let's take a screenshot of this and switch back to my other account and try to see if there are some notifications. Let's tap on the heart icon, and as you can see here, there are no notifications whatsoever. Now let's try to tap on home and go to that story and see if there are some notifications in there. So let's try to swipe. Now we can see that there are no notifications, however, we can only see who viewed the story. So this could only mean that Instagram actually do not send notifications whenever somebody or someone screenshots your story. However, if someone screenshots a photo in your chat, you will be notified. Let me show you that. I am going to open chat and I will send a photo to my other account. Alright, there we have it. Now I'm going to switch to that account and screenshot the photo. And then if I go back to my other account and open the chat, you will see a screenshot notification next to the photo. This means that this person took a screenshot of the picture. So in summary, Instagram doesn't send notifications if somebody screenshots your story, but you will be notified if someone takes a screenshot of the picture in your chat. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.